Hello students, welcome to the channel. Today I am going to give the question answer of air pressure from 7th standard geography. Chapter 1 to 3 notes are already given. You can find out that video from my home my study playlist. Let's begin with the lesson question answer. First one is give reasons. Air pressure decreases with increasing altitude. Answer is given on page number 16. The proportion of dust in air, water vapor, heavy gases, etc. is higher in the air closer to the surface of the earth. This proportion decreases with increasing altitude. As one moves higher and higher from the surface of the earth, the air becomes thinner and thinner. As a result, the air pressure decreases with increasing altitude. Altitude of region and air pressure वाला पूरा पैराग्राफ आपको फर्स्ट वाले आंसर में लिखना है. Second one, pressure belt oscillate. Answer is there on page number 18. The duration and the intensity of sun rays varies during particular periods of the year in both the hemisphere. As a result, the location of the temperature zones and the pressure belts dependent on the sun's heat also vary. This change is of the order of 5 degree to 7 degree towards north in Uttarayan and 5 degree to 7 degrees south in Dakshinayan. This is called the oscillation of pressure belt. Next one is question number 2. Give short answers to the following questions. First one, what effect does temperature have on air pressure? This answer is given on page number 17. Temperature and air pressure are closely related. Wherever the temperature is high, the air pressure is low. As the temperature rises, the air gets heated, expands, and becomes lighter. This lighter air in the vicinity of the Earth's surface start moving up towards the sky. As a result, the air pressure in such areas decreases. Now see the second one. Why is the subpolar low pressure belt formed? Answer is there on page number 18. Due to Earth's curvature, the area between two parallels get reduced as we move towards the poles. This results in lessened friction of the air with the Earth's surface. Air in this region is thrown out because of this reduced friction and also because of the Earth's rotational motion. This leads to the development of a low pressure belt. Now see the question number 3rd. Write notes on. First one is mid latitudinal high pressure belt. Answer is given on page number 18. The heated air becomes lighter, starts ascending, and after reaching higher altitudes moves towards the polar region, that is towards the north and the south pole. Due to low temperature at the higher altitude, the air cools down and becomes heavier. This heavier air descends down in both the hemisphere in the region between 25 degree to 35 degree parallels. This leads to the formation of high pressure belts in these parallels of latitudes in both the hemisphere. This air is dry, hence the region does not get rainfall. Second notes, horizontal distribution of air pressure. Answer, the heat received from the sun is uneven in different regions. Second point, the distribution of temperature is uneven from the equator to the poles. Third point, the difference can lead to difference in the air pressure. Fourth point, there are four pressure belts formed on the earth's surface. Fifth point, the equatorial low pressure belts between 5 degree north and 5 south parallels has high temperature. Sixth point, mid latitudinal high pressure belt between 25 degree and 35 degree parallels due to descending heavier air. Seventh point, subpolar low pressure belt formed between 55 degree and 65 degree parallels due to friction and rotation. Seventh point, polar high pressure formed between 80 degree and 90 degree parallels due to low temperatures. Next one, fill in the gaps with the appropriate options. First one, at higher altitudes, air becomes thinner. Second, air pressure is expressed in millibars. Third one, on the earth, air pressure is uneven. Fourth one, the equatorial low pressure belt is spread between 5 degree north and 5 degree south parallel. Now see the next question number 5. How does a high pressure belt get formed near 30 degree parallel? Why does this region have not deserts? आंसर वो जो आपने लिखा था ना मिड लैटिट्यूडनल हाई प्रेशर का नोट्स में वही सेम आंसर इसमें आएगा. The heated air becomes lighter, starts ascending, and after reaching higher altitudes moves towards the polar region, that is towards the north and the south pole. Due to low temperature at the higher altitude, the air cools down and becomes heavier. This heavier air descends down in both the hemisphere in the region between 25° to 35° parallels. This leads to the formation of high pressure belts in these parallels of latitudes in both the hemispheres. This air is dry, hence the region does not get rainfall. Consequently, most of the hot deserts on the earth are found in these regions. Next, question number 6. Draw a neat diagram showing pressure belts. Label the diagram. This is given on page number 17. Pressure belts and planetary winds. ये पूरा आपको ड्रॉ करना है और उसको लेबल भी करना है as it is given in the textbook. Subscribe to the channel for more videos and also share with a needy person.